Welcome to PC Mac. Today we'll talk about a OS that soon replace the Windows XP computers. Like if you have an old machine in your house and you're not aware which operating system you want to install on that, and you're fed up of using Windows XP and it's running really slow, you can switch to this OS. It's really small, smaller than Windows XP, and the speed is also good with this operating system. And the good thing about this operating system that it support .exe files. That means you can install all your Windows program onto this operating system and you can use them easily, no problem in that. So let's do it. Before we start, I would like you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It's free and you can just go ahead and click on the bell icon for my latest videos. So let's get started. First of all, let me go ahead and open the Google Chrome to show you what OS I'm talking about. So the name of the OS is ReactOS. It's right here. You can search for it and it will be redirecting you to this page, front page, ReactOS project. Let me just open it, and you can, once you click on download it, it will give you two options: download live CD and download boot CD. So we'll go ahead and do the boot CD option, and it asks you if you want to donate something. You can donate them, or you can just click on no thanks. Let's proceed with the download. If you want to check the operating system, once you do that, it will take you to the SourceForge website to download the operating system. It's really small operating system, that is around 160 MB. Let's the download start so I can show you the size of the operating system. It will start in a moment. Yep, so it's only 103 MB. It's really small, and let me just cancel it because I already downloaded it. So once this setup download, let me just go ahead and go into the downloads folder to show you. It's right here, 4.0 0.4.8. Then just right click and use 7-zip or extract file to extract this file. Extract to ReactOS 0.4.8 ISO. You can do that. Let me go ahead and close it. Now let me show you the installation of this OS. So I'm using my virtual box to show you the setup. First of all, let's go ahead and configure it. So the name is ReactOS and the type of the operating system is other, and we'll select other unknown 64-bit. Then we'll click next and give it a RAM around 2 GB because the old computers usually have around 2 gigs of memory, so we can check it on 2 gigs. Let's go to next and next, and virtual disk image next. So it's dynamically allocated physical hard drive. Now in the old computers the hard drive size is around 40 GB. So let's go ahead and do a 40 GB hard drive. Okay, that's good. 39.81. Let's go ahead and create it. Now it's create, so we'll start the machine. Now once we start the machine, it will ask for the path. So I have created the path right here in my D drive in operating systems, and here is the extracted file, ReactOS 4.8 ISO. Let me just start, and you can see it will only take 3 to 4 minutes to completely install this operating system. We'll select the English United States, and it again asks us to click enter to install ReactOS. Again press enter to install ReactOS. Accept this device settings, enter again. Now we need to do a partition. We need to click enter again. You can see here, press enter to install because it's a blank disk. Now format partition as FAT file system, quick format, yes, and again an enter, and we need to install ReactOS. And as you can see, the installation is going really fast. I'm not fast forwarding it, and just we need to hit enter. Install bootloader on the hard drive, MBR and VBR, and enter one more time to reboot the computer. Now the computer reboots. It will configure the operating system now. Just hit enter, and it took only 3 minutes to completely install the operating system, and we need to configure it. Next, next, we'll give it a name, PC Mac. Next, create a password. Hit next, select my time zone, and we choose the classic theme. Next, typical settings. Next, right now we are using it in a normal environment. We don't need to create a work group here. Just click next, and it's done. It will take another 30 more seconds, 10 to 30 seconds, to completely install the operating system and reboot the computer. If you have a 4 GB RAM computer, this OS will do wonders for you. So I'm not fast forwarding it, it's just the normal way the operating system loads for you, and it's done. As you can see, the beautiful Windows XP screen is in front of you. Let's go ahead and install the drivers. 1 or 2 drivers required. Okay, the mouse is moving by itself. Okay, I'm using the keyboard. That's it. Let's just wait. Yep, it's done now. So as you can see, we have the old My Computer with C drive, D drive. C drive contains the old document and settings program file, the ReactOS folder, like we have Windows folder in Windows that replaced by ReactOS from here, and system registries are also here, 5 registry file, same as Windows. Now I'll tell you what the first step you need to take. First of all, you need to open the application manager to install the applications. It will look like something this, because because this OS don't have a web browser, we need to install the web browser first. So the web browser that this operating system has is Mozilla Firefox. Let me just show you. So it's right here. We need to check the Mozilla Firefox from here and install it from here. Just click on it and it will start downloading the Mozilla Firefox for you. So let's just launch the browser and check whether everything is working good or not. So it says it's out of date. Let's use it like this. It will update by itself. Because I'm using the virtual box, might be that's why the mouse is not acting like, it's acting weird sometimes. So let's go ahead and try to open YouTube and check that YouTube is working fine or not with this small operating system. Let me just make the windows little bit big so you can also watch everything clearly. So we'll try to watch a 4K video straight away. So we can go ahead and watch Avengers Infinity War trailer and check whether we are able to play it or not. Just a glimpse of it to check whether it's working in 4K or not. So let's check 1080p, it's working here or not. As you can see, the browser supports 1080p, so your old operating system, your old machine will not have any problem while you're using this operating system onto it. It's running in full HD right here. Let's try to play a 4K video. Let's check that it's able to play the Ultra HD or not. So we'll straight away go to 2160 and check whether our browser have that much power to play the 4K video or not. It's moving. I'll wait for 10 more seconds. Might be my internet is not running good today. Let me, okay, it's trying to play. Yeah, it's working. Might be the internet is running slow today. Let me just pause it for a moment, let it buffer. We can just go ahead and do one step down, 1440p, and then we will check that it's able to play or not. So it's working. Because it's working in VirtualBox, that might be an issue as well. Let's go ahead and close it. Right now I'm not able to see the X because of the virtual machine. Now you can add audio files from here, like your audio softwares like Winamp, the common one. You can go for the video players as well, Media Player Classic. You can go for the VLC. Let's go ahead and try VLC. Install it. So we have selected all the three, that's why Mozilla is trying to install again. Let's check that the VLC is able to install or not. So as the first impression, I could say that the operating system is really good, really fast, small in size. You can easily download and install it on your operating system to replace your operating system like your Windows XP. And as you can see, I'm using the VirtualBox and still it's working like a charm. And as you can see, VLC is also downloaded and installed correctly. Let's check that Winamp also able to run on this machine or not. Let's check that we can create shortcuts like Windows XP or not. VLAN is right here. Right click, create link. We used to have Winamp and I'm using Windows XP. Every computer has Winamp. Let's choose this skin. Current skin is good. Finish. It's stuck somehow. It's totally unresponsive. We'll wait. Let me check my computer gone stuck or only the VirtualBox. Computer is working fine. The VirtualBox is stuck while installing Winamp. Let's wait for 10 more seconds and then we'll try to restart the machine, the virtual machine. I think it's stuck here. Let's just go ahead and restart the VirtualBox and check what's the problem. Power of the machine, okay. And let me restart it again and check whether it's crashed or working fine. What happened to it? Again it asks for the media. I need to remove the image, otherwise it will ask again and again. Operating system working good. Okay, the Winamp is also installed. Let me just try to open it. Okay, while configuring it, it's creating some problem. Let's check one more time. Skip this step. Okay, do not show again. Okay, so it's working fine, as you can see. Device not found, no problem. Let's close this one as well. Yep, this one is also working good, as you can see. So you can go ahead and install it on your computer, on your old machine. Don't try to install it on your new machine, because the new operating system work on NTFS format, that is new technology file system, and this one is designed for FAT operating system, that is file allocation table. So you can use this operating system to a machine that is old. I believe you can use it on a dual core machine, and you need to format the hard drive to a FAT format, not into the NTFS. Make it below 40 GB if you want to install it, because if you go above 40 GB it will automatically format in NTFS. So keep that in mind and try to install it, use it. In my next video we'll try to install some more programs on this operating system and check how it responds. We'll try to install Microsoft Office and check whether it will able to run Microsoft Office successfully or not. We'll try to install one version of Photoshop as well and check whether it will take it or not. We'll check its compatibility with other Windows software, and we'll check that it's working fine or not. So that's it from my end. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Share your comments in the comment section, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.